We are back with our Consumer Confidential. The cost of groceries is up nearly 4% since this time last year. And with the holidays approaching, we have an expert here today to help us save some cash at the supermarket. Joanie Dimmer is co-founder of the Crazy Coupon Lady. Joanie, good morning to you.
Hi, Joanie.
Good morning.
All right, so let's save some money here. The last time you were here, you talked about signing up for loyalty programs and then linking them to savings platforms. Can you give us a quick refresher?
Totally. So Ibotta is one of the free apps that we talked about. And it started out as a receipt scanning app. And, you download the app, enter your email address. That's all you have to do to sign up. Then you select where you're going to shop, add your rebates, and then to prove you bought them, you had to upload a photo of your receipt. Well, the app is actually now linking directly with some retailers like Walmart and Dollar General. And once you link your account, no more receipt uploading. It's really, really easy to do.
So if I'm at Dollar General, for example, right? As one would. So then what am I doing? Am I handing them my phone for what? What am I getting?
No, the great thing is you do nothing at checkout. By linking your accounts together, you're allowing Ibotta to verify your purchase kind of digitally in the background. So, like, I've got Ibotta open right now. My accounts are linked. I decide, okay, I'm going to shop at Walmart today.
Okay, so let's say you buy some diapers, and it's linked. Now what?
Well, it's not cooperating with me right now.
Well, of course not. But
in theory.
But in theory, how would it work?
You actually can enter Walmart.com all through Ibotta, and then you can select every item in your cart.
So it's kind of a portal.
Totally.
To go through to these other places.
So you still select the rebates. You're like, I'm going to buy this soup. I'm going to buy these canned tomatoes.
And then the savings are automatic?
The savings are automatic. And you do nothing at checkout, so you're never even like holding up the line. None of that anxiety.
Okay. Wow.
I got to tell you, Joanie, I was kind of surprised at the idea that these meal delivery services could actually save you money.
I know. I think that when everyone, hears about meal delivery kits, they're like, well, sure, I would love that. That sounds really convenient, but can I afford it? They think that meal planning and grocery shopping on your own, you're going to save more money. And I'll be completely honest, in the long run, that's true. But there's so much competition in this space. There's actually an opportunity to save money. And it's because all of these companies are so confident they're going to get you addicted to their meal delivery kit. They're desperate to get you in the door, and they're going to offer you really, really steep discounts. And so my advice is actually not comparing the discounts or reading reviews. It's actually not committing at all and jumping from
one to the other?
To box, taking advantage of each new user offer.
Wow. And then can you see if you can get a deal if you stay with them?
Those are called retention discounts. And absolutely. So the thing is, there's discounts everywhere you look, anytime you're looking at a subscription. So Blue Apron, I'll just give you this example. It's like kind of the OG in the space. Yeah. Their new subscriber discount is $180 off the first 6 boxes. But they phrase it that way, but you're not actually required to get 6 boxes. You could, if you want to, you could quit your subscription after the first box, which is $40 off and ships for free. If you buy 2 meals, 2 servings, your first meal kit from Blue Apron could be $9.90.
Ka-ching!
That's not too expensive.
Yeah. So the key is just starting them all, and if you do like one, then see if you can get a retainer.
At the end of a couple of months, you'll have saved loads of time, loads of money, and you'll have tried them all, and you'll know exactly which one might be worth it in the long run for your family.
Okay, so for the more traditional grocery shopper, how can we save money at the grocery store?
Yeah, there's a lot of grocery savings, and as we talked about last time, you don't need paper coupons anymore. You've got the rebate apps we already talked about. You need the store apps as well. When you download those, again, it's really simple. All you're going to do is enter your email address, maybe your phone number. Then you're in the loyalty program. It's always free, but now you can get the coupons. So I've got 2 deal examples for you. The first is from a store called Publix. If you have this store in your area, you need to shop this deal by end of day on Tuesday. But it's Barilla pasta, right? So we're all buying pasta. It's on sale $2.59. There's a coupon in the Publix app, buy one, get one free. There's a 75-cent off Ibotta and a $1 off Fetch. You remember how this goes.
Oh, yeah.
And the math goes, you buy the 2 boxes, you pay $2.59, $1.50 back from Ibotta, $1 back from Fetch. In the end, 9 cents for 2 boxes of pasta worth more than $5.
Wow.
This is a business. Just do it for us.
It is possible.
I know it is your business.
Yeah.
Last but not least,
that's what she does.
I just need you to come with me. Last but not least, really quickly, we have like seconds, but snacks. They can add up. Is there any secret when, you have kids after school and they're raiding the pantry all the time wanting snacks?
We go through so many prepackaged snacks at my house. And so Amazon Subscribe and Save is actually what I use. By agreeing to automatic reordering, you're saving up to 15%, but that's not enough. We're going to look for a subscription item that also has a digital coupon. And so by layering that savings together, now we're starting to beat those wholesale club prices all shopping at home.
How do you find the digital coupon?
They're on the listing.
Yeah.
They're on the listing
It shows
page.
up.
So you click it, and the
I did this with
coupon,
Nick for a college student, my son, and that's how I send, instead of him going to the bookstore, boxes of
Just
stuff.
comes automatically.
Yeah.
Just keep in mind the coupon will only apply to your first subscription delivery.
Oh, okay.
But just like the meal boxes, there's no commitment at any time. Go into your account, your subscription items, and cancel them. You can do it after the first box ships.
It's like chemistry.
Yeah,
Joanie,
it kind of is.
Lessons in chemistry. All right. Joanie, thanks so much.
Thank you so much.